Also, me tell it to me tell it to say, oh, Yakupon, any aho, Yakupon, more testicasano. And what happened to Johnny Fast? So your angel. Oh, Johnny Fast, so good your angel. Adom Tebia is playing with the mind of Ghanaians. Adom Tebia is collecting money from the innocent people. Adom Tebia is deceiving the innocent Ghanaians and the world. Adom Tebia is not from God. On catcher Ghana for say he got the power from the gods of the land. May catch the places when die Chrono na opo Ghana for that. Akokwa opo Ghana for Chrono. The Bible no kenkano. The Nyankopon na wa fra Adom Tebia. In the Bible, from the New Testament to the Old Testament, therefore, bay, and I know what to tell you, Emma, in the power so send a mopa by a betty the person, a bunipa, a man never pack, a penny baby action in the grassy. Sana do take gas in the grassy, so I do take your idea. Mr. Ghana has said, so when Dynamite to Toa, the nurses here, and then they are banter to banter from the spiritual world and physical, because they go for and one of the Chino. Almost some of them will be Dimatem, and grassy for sticking up with Musica, and I pity the poor innocent Ghanaians, with the Musica Comasa, Richard, my way say, I don't know what, many know, but all kind of culture Ghana for say, and then I put on the money message to the media. I mean, I pity those people that go to this old man saying, I could say, well, you're demonic. But we're trying in the Chumaku system for the birthday. Yeah, you can't say, you're said to be. I do tell you, I will not be a said to be. In Ghana, you will not be a said to be. But say, you're not going to Nigeria back. Adom Tebia, the Makacha say, oh, you're demonic. Adom Tebia, a demon, all baby wasting any part time. All baby wasting majority of Ghanaians. Your time. Adom Tebia, everything you're coupon. Obey be na here. Na home, and na air control near our year. Then, surely, dear, you're just over try. Only try, dear, men can want services here, and it wakasa. Or to the new to you, Naka, a bear day, say, and yes, and your gods of the land, and I know Modania. How can you use a cow for celebration? Cows are not used for celebration in the temple of God. Sheep are used for celebration, not cow. Anybody who use cow for celebration, you are dining with the gods of the land. And then because Adom Tebia have to be specific to Ghanaians that he is dining with the gods of the land. Stop mentioning God's name. Also, me tell it to say, oh, Yakupon, any aho, Yakupon, more testing Casano. And what happened to Johnny Fast? So your angel. Oh, Johnny Fast, so good your angel. Adom Tebia, maybe sorry capre. Anywhere I'll go, baby, I will let the people know that he is not from God. You know, Guda, Assembly, Guda, yeah, Casano, go deeper and do a research before you come out to speak. When a nation see a canasimo krumwa, with my banter media and so that, you come somehow, go deep and do a research. Me say, I am the seer of the century. You have every right to Google me. Go to India, go to the Asians, go to every part of the world. Take my picture there. That who is this nigger? Who is this man? You better come ask my church. Say, yes, me a confirmed seer. I know what I'm saying. So I do tell you, for him to open his mouth that Obeku 60 cows, no? 60 cows. At the highest celebration. You will come and say, and in Nigeria, 2 years ago, Obi Kibana, ne mami wuye, oku almost 400 cows.
Adom.
Oh, in Nigeria.
For them.
Oh, just a celebration. Ne mami wuye no, amount for ebano cows. Obi Kibana eku no. Ebe history. Ekesi out to now in Nigeria. More than 400 cows. You will not believe it. And I do tell you idea. Me catch a Ghana for sale. Onyankopon ejnemu na say your bar for there. True God and gods of the land are a sheep. Sheep, what can come for? As one of them say, you didn't cheer, echi, out to us, a mouth for Kotus Mompaida. The skin, yere. Sheep, the skin, yere, a member, then yere. What can Mayanka market? I got to say, your future will join them that way tone order. They be appointing Kwamewana and your sanity. So they should tell you, say, Adom Tebia is playing with the mind of Ghanaians. Adom Tebia is collecting money from the innocent people. Adom Tebia is deceiving the innocent Ghanaians and the world. Adom Chedua is not from God. On catcher Ghana for say he got a power from the gods of the land. Home no body dino we you show kese. Adom Chedua we you susu solid for onomuku sign in no. Susu solid for onomu yasa sacrifice no. Ajagraja papaya eja ojo no numo Ghana he oni three. Enye na ntwe kum de bia. So what is the difference between Ajagraja and Adom Chedua over the Kunu Chuma Kwanku system? Video where ye. So here we are, the China on Chebi. On Chebi, make catch the places so when die. Chrono na o Pogana for that. Akokra o Pogana for Chrono. The Bible no kenkano. The Nyankopon na wafa Adom Chedua no. In the Bible, from the New Testament to the Old Testament, therefore bay. And I know what tonton yoma emma any power asasi so mo be dinity. So if me be dinity, I will stop condemning about the things that he said. And you fake Ghanaians should wise up. Ye nwan mugu nkrase ni ajade and the biaba mo wise up. Ya tonton na mama che and no bone fake things and the mama de bia and amusumu dieti and amoye day mo nom and amudieti. Nyankopon, God don't talk to any mortal. All the men of God, majority of them 80% dining with the gods of the land. And when they come out and they claim say Nyankopon na can be actually omo. Remember by me say me come and nam, me angel and nam, or no so on your fallen angel or tiwiem and so on a home was assassin of communicate ni nuane womo or no man the bosso esisu eye bibia. Eti Adom Chedua de monya botre say na mopa ba e be di pasem sika ebu nipa amen ne mopa open baby a channel ni megu asi sana Adom Chedua so ni megu ase eye wiase eye season eye time any season bia e wodo obonsam edeniba system ni mu e ma ni megu nipa agi nipa semusika e claim say they are God, e claim say they are angels, e claim say they are wiser and they are powerful than every mortal earth. Mr. Adom Chedua the members ni na ya confirm say 80% eye nyafo
ka hye omuntie o
that be so be nyafo omo ye nyafo enyafo we jan ne mami fi ahonhom wo we jan ne baba fi ahonhom wo and oko di just a mortal chi. What can mortal do for you? Mortal na come so we God no we angel no. What can he do for you? You will waste your time and pray overnight. You will waste your time on fasting. You will waste your finances on unnecessary things from them. And then what do you gain? What does I know? Over Paba. No way, JHD. Not going to pay baby now. So those following those, this demonic old man in there. It's a nice movie in Ghana, yeah. It's a nice movie. They say the world has changed. You can't deceive us anymore. You can fool some people, but not all Ghanaians. So I don't change the idea. Me say Ghana has say. So when Ghana man to the nations here, me name they banter to banter from the spiritual world and physical. Because they call for and one of the chino, almost some of them be dimatem and crassing for Ghana for some musica. And I pity the poor innocent Ghanaians. Mudi musica comasa, wretched, my way say. I don't know what, my name, but all kind of question Ghana for say. And then I could put the money message. Be a median no. Many Bible say Kama and Nam. I work with Kama and the gods of the land. Because Kama Mama Chasa said, the God we know, the God we believe in, the God we have heard his name, no, he don't speak to any mortal. He don't have any contact with any mortal. So any man of God for any part of the world that will tell you that God said this, God said that, and he's fake, and he will be fake for real. And as long as they will be disgraced too. And I am a yano. They will be disgraced big time in Ghana here. So anybody that you think say Adom Chedua no ubedi na chini de wawa sema, you waste your time and your finances because only fi Nyankopon we jama mi fi ahon wo Ghana say wo wa na the Bible say utim ko school na kan Bible so obi anyina na adwina say Bible no say dey na yema wo ube how to move na woje pay woja na asa na obobosia na woko na woba one day pay no nya kakra bi no didi no achelia be 1 year 2 years na article now say bre this is not what we call life. This is not what we call life. Etugo di papa wo yechia na ye kana se muntia mumfa mopa etumofo ejebe no pambo ebeneza amba ye okromu aso enso no wenfa ejebe na palai amba ye okromu a ena wenfa ejebe ena aprekuma daughter amba ye okromu ena wenfa. Ghanaians should wise up. Now me I pity those people that go to this old man say Nyankopon say well you're demonic or be try in the Maku system for the birthday. Yeah, you catch us on your century being. Adom Chedua will not be a century being. In Ghana, you will not be a century being. Or be say Nigeria back. You kromwa also njana man tonton me say physical and spiritual the nation see me na me bantano me so no me kase wo ye kromfo and he will be a thief till you die. The generation of Bebre, I'm being honest with everybody. You can choose to insult me or whatever you say. I don't give a damn because I know say the worst people listen to me and take whatever I say. But only the fools with single bandits will say some word and you saw one God. And their poverty. Almost in the here for no. And here for and here for how to math. How to math. Oh, sorry, now did you look how to math? How to math? And here for
also Antichrist now.
Now do Antichrist. I do tell you, baby, Ghana for your physical battle in your pen. Nyamese no. God is there for everybody. Who is Adom Chedua? I respect the age, but the body. And what he's doing there, you bullshit man with the Mortis, and you bullshit man with the Kama family, because we know where he got his power from. I'm not afraid to challenge him, physical or anywhere. Who is Adom Chedua? Gods of the land, I catch him and say, he is nobody. I'm bigger than him in the spiritual world. So I can insult him and tell Adom Chedua to stop selling the fake and stupid, useless sobolo to Ghanaians, because it's fake.
Calm down.
Guda, see, look, I'm speaking for my people.
Yes.
People are still ignorant in Ghana here.
They are.
A lot of people are still in the illiterate in Ghana is more. I keep saying, say, Ghana, Sabi, and Yasafo, 40%, and Kwasafo is 60%.
Someone nearly fought me somewhere, say, we a video, me no video.
Only Panama forward. Obi friend me, say, I do it, say, if you are a man, face me one-on-one. Don't call me on my phone to threaten me about Adom Chedua. Mama Adom Chedua tina mo ya moa. Me nesisa me say mo ya moa. I'm not asked you to come and watch my video. I don't beg you to come and watch my video. If 2 or 3 people watch my video, no me nyansafo I prefer and I like that than more a fool to watch my videos. So who Adom Chedua tina me dinner tema. Now me hear video I am not afraid of him. Because the way I was claiming home, we know where he got his power from. So you're born Piaman said, Uncle Nature Sister, no, now you're Ghana for the meaning of the 60 cows.
What about from?
Oh, my from here, my break you her, may say, Obeku Nature, no, near the followers, the fools, and they say, there will be fools and there will be slaves. Who says slavery goes where we are saying? Who says still, I know, majority of the Ghanaians are under slavery.
Yes. We don't know and left from.
And I got to say every year we couldn't check. A slave, you know. Every year we couldn't check. A slave, you know. I do say, yeah, every day we to so below a slave, you know. Because we maybe I saw this Kakomano. We are some Ghanaians are still under slavery. And they will be slaves forever because they don't want to wise up, they don't want to change, they don't want to believe whatever we say. God does speak to any mortal. So I don't respect any man of God in Ghana here claiming say God. The moment you mention God's name, now me cross check it, now come and cut him and say, where will you clear? You are free to go. But when you clean there, I don't give a damn about you. I will tell you my peace of mind because Ghanaians still need help. Ghana for him and them fake lies.
They say I mean who they are because they are bisa oya ebia na koye. Who say o ka wa ha say agrada sunsum no e poor. Ba say na say dey wa ba live wa ba open publicly abeka say sika e to afore e to the first night no ankoye nti obi anfa de mbra fe to nyum bi. Mami we cry a video say ade okọ share cells so that woman be no ya na cause the way all reacting or to nyum no strange kakra. Why will she come out to say ebia sika mo fast garden brown na me say sika say but they amode buy 150 Ghana.
Guda, I am the seer of the century. You can choose to believe it or not. It's not be na the no. Let me tell you something, Guda. E wiase won. You only people wiase a who the body, the baby or your fresh or your nice, but in the spiritual world, you know, or you yeni, or that toletimu, or titoletimu, or nato toletimu, or the do toletimu, tienye, send the panel, or training with time. It's the kind of when you're landing a best shit, assembly seat, or beboka, I'm a call back to square 0. That is the toilet beans, no. Obiso so we are say, oh, yes, balan, or you yeni. or your toilet being. Yame buano siasia papa bi man akwanche tutu ya. Obose obe billionaire our land.
Okay.
And so we have people who are rich and we have people who are still poor in the spiritual world. A generational thing. And I got that idea where you hear me catch up say a nice movie a be pia bontin. So don't be surprised about bontin SSSika. Very soon, don't call me ever calling your muscle. I saw no so about 2 or ton because on Timmy now I saw and I say collection by 100 Ghana, 50 Ghana, almost 2-3 hours preaching in HR. How will you feel? I got that will make up a tune cocoa take out on the same. Cocoa make up out on the same. No board the question collection unya. And then here for so never call nase. No rich man or no right person in his right or a right sense will go to a God and say, make a journey knock a bonfire. Just say here for a mopa, my 20 good idea, my 15 good idea, my 100 good to Adanke, my 100 good to we. Those are the people that will follow your God. I want you. Oh, you hear me? In the good Chasso Honman, I'm an OEP, concert to man.
Now, also, I say, now saying so. Youth no kakra bia o magin wo outside say just say you took answer na ehun betoye just say you took answer na ehun betoye e den na e koso one god
youth na
ai other politicians o mutu inform sika enye adwuma o ha say maya na
good majority of the youth toilet beans they be ameka me say Ghana for toilet ne tentan oni pa bia won nante ententa cross wo nim cross wo kom cross wo chest gina wo say we poverty being you will live or you starve with poverty. Whatever you do on this earth will not succeed. Emphasis kakesem do nemum hand to mouth and to ni pebia whether you believe me or you don't believe me, whether you call me or you don't call me, whether you text me or not, just wherever you are, put pepper in water. And whenever you are mentioning the names to Karma Nyame, the Lord of Karma. When you mention God, what you are doing is going in vain. Don't mention God's name. Because Nyakopon na uboni dino, Nyakopon ultimate MBS edman emma. Eti Karma na osumano. So na do chedu abone hunhum dino. But Karma di se Karma Nyame because Karma so ese Nyakopon ase. Karma work for the Lord. Esu but Karma Nyame na Karma meye edman e dey emma. So majority of now boys mo tu kwanko kata Libya any Arab country ni ade ni na no bebre na susu wiase omo ye moa because omo ye toilet beans and kata sem en farm omo owo na di omo chi ya dane bebre so moa enti utimi kan for perfume gun so na ko anim guda susu wiase me for ka to form ye bra pani abedi pele asebi kromo obi anim no Black Star captain ba ko pe ja ono so awomma atete ma amen ne ma so ehye ne munyam asase isui susum wiase esum kebiri abeto abedi pele so na sa sum no de ensem bebiri beba abedi so etimisra abedi pele opawonjindi opamane jindi confirm in the spiritual world and it will surely happen ameni pebia de ne ehu me nkasa keke sa na tie guda you can say Miss Bell montunu fu say susum wiase onipa bi dina ko tobosom kese so Miss Bell da bosom kese so wiase onipa bi da bosom kese so yare nketenkete ene eka ene amane enti Miss Bell oba be fon papa obe force panie na imagine say on so be fon obe force panie because baby e oda no ya soldier wan asese adwene ye ho Miss Bell say adwene osunsun wiase enti edare do no so yare a ono abeti ase confirm in the spiritual world or power jindi or permanent jindi good amanu esi